Good morning, everyone. It's been a long time when we have met with each other and we had any class. So I thought of to communicate with you people with some different medium. Today I'm going to speak about low-level equilibrium trap. It is a growth model which was developed by Nielsen in the year 1956. The theory is based on the Malthusian theory of population, according to which there is positive correlation exists between growth of per capita income and population growth. If population growth exceeds per capita income growth, there is positive and negative checks in the economy. In the Nielsen model, it is discussed that how high population growth and low per capita income will lead to a situation of slack in the underdeveloped economy. We find sluggish or slow growth in underdeveloped economy will also work like an inertia and will keep economy at low level equilibrium trap. According to this theory, economic development depends upon three factors: capital stock, technology, and population. Status of all the above mentioned factor in the underdeveloped economy is peculiar. Capital stock is low because of low saving and per capita income. Technology is backward because of the social structure and the institution. Population growth is much higher than per capita income growth. In the underdeveloped country, the difference between per capita income growth and population growth is very high. Now we see growth of per capita income and changes in capital stock in the Nielsen model. In the Nielsen model, growth of capital comes from two factors. One, addition of capital stock, and the other, additional land bought under cultivation. Per capita income changes in the Nielsen model occurs due to rate of growth of population and second, rate of growth of income. The low level equilibrium trap and the above mentioned argument can be understood or examined with the help of following diagram. Figure 1 is divided into three panels, namely A, B and C. In all the panels, per capita income is taken on the x-axis. Panel A of figure 1 examines the relationship between growth of population on the y-axis and per capita income on the x-axis. In the figure, H is the minimum specific level of per capita income, where the level of per capita income is equal to the growth of population. This can be also because of high death and birth rates. Below H or left to the H, population growth is negative, but above H or right to the H, the population starts increasing till it reaches its upper physical limit. After point E to F, the population growth becomes stable and start declining after point F. This is also because rise in per capita income make people conscious about their living standard and they try to adopt small family. Hence, population growth curve represents the population growth paths of different level of per capita income. Now, in the panel B of figure 1 examines the relationship between level of per capita income on the x-axis and per capita investment growth on the y-axis. At point H, the savings are zero, that is all the income is spent on consumption. The left to point H investments are negative because savings are negative. The per capita income rises above the zero savings level as it moves towards right to H. As a result, investment curves rises and it has no upper physical limits. Finally, in panel C of figure 1, which examines the relationship between per capita income growth and population growth with levels of per capita income. Per capita income growth and population growth is taken on the y-axis. In the figure, population and per capita income growth is equal at point H. At this minimum specific level of per capita income, the savings are zero. The point H is also referred as the point of low-level equilibrium trap. Right to the point H, with rise in per capita income, there will be also rise in population growth. Between H to M, population growth is much higher than growth of per capita income. Hence, any small increase in per capita income below H is not able to sustain itself or lead to further increase in per capita income. This will drag per capita income at H, which is low level equilibrium trap and stable equilibrium. Beyond M, the per capita income growth is higher than population growth, which is self-sustaining or will lead to further increase in per capita income. The point M is unstable equilibrium. The growth of per capita income becomes lower than population growth after point N. The difference between per capita income growth and population growth is not higher. The people will revise their expectation and the economy will be brought back to the N, which is also point of stable equilibrium. Hence, underdeveloped country caught in low level equilibrium trap can hope to come out when per capita income growth exceeds population growth, which is possible only after a level of per capita income which is y by p dash. Now, what are the reasons for low level equilibrium trap? In the underdeveloped economy, we find the production processes are inefficient. Second, correlation between per capita income and population. Third, slack. And fourth, social structure of the economy. Now, what are the policy options available in the underdeveloped economy to come out of low level equilibrium trap? The first is a heavy doses of investment. Second, increase the productivity and amounts of capital and labor. Third, social structure of the economy. Now, what are the demerits of low level equilibrium trap propounded by R.Nelson? No rigid and simple functional relationship between per capita income and rate of population growth. Second, no rigid and simple relationship between per capita income and growth rate of income. Third, neglects the time element. Now the theory finishes, and any questions regarding this theory you can communicate with me either on WhatsApp, email, phone, or we will discuss this theory again when we will meet in the class. Thank you very much.